Hello everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing this Ozito Jewel brush set. It has 16 pieces in it. Looks like from just the photo there, you can use it to clean the rims of the wheel. Let me just open this up and see what's in the box. So 16 pieces is quite a lot. I have no clue what each of these pieces actually does. But just from this description, you can clean and remove dirt, grime. It's got all these different brush sets. So it looks like there are soft ones. This seems to be a bit softer. This seems a bit harder. And these are some extra pads. It's got this one where you just stick it on, it's a Velcro, and you just remove it and peel it off. So let me have a look to see how this works. It's a bit hard to remove it here, so it will stick pretty well to clean. Let's have a look at this. What else is in the box? Okay, this is looks like it's an extension. Yeah, it looks like it's a quick release extension bit. Let's open it. Yep, here we go. So you put this in the jewel and then push this in. There you go. If you want to remove it, you just gotta push down the release button. Let me get my Ryobi drill. Let's put it in here. There we go. That's the extension. I guess it's for hard to reach places. So this one here, it seems like it's pretty easy to remove. Just push this down and it releases it. I guess this is the brush that you use to clean the rims of your wheel. Okay. This is a pot. This is the only thing I could find that seemed a bit dirty and still it looks like it's stained. We've got a few stains, burn stains on the sides here. So I'm gonna see whether I can use this to remove it. Okay. I'm just using these brushes. It looks like it's very straightforward. Slightly removing it, but I'm assuming that you need to use something else with it. Let me just using a bigger brush. What it's doing is just scrubbing it. So if you really want to remove it, so go into the basin here. You got to use Jif. So put a bit of Jif. And then you can start cleaning it. Yeah, I can already notice a bit of a difference. And this is the end result. Once you use the Jif, so I recommend if you want to get rid of the stains in a pot, use this Jif cream and then just scrub it out. I hope this helped, and I'll try it on other things and see what happens.